For the first part, let me introduce about benzaldehyde. The common name for benzaldehyde is benzaldehyde, while the IUPAC name for benzaldehyde is benzene carbaldehyde. The functional group present in benzaldehyde is aldehyde and benzene ring, while the chemical structure for benzaldehyde is C7H6O. The properties of benzaldehyde is its molecular weight is 106.12 gram per mole. Benzaldehyde has a boiling point of 179 degrees Celsius, while its melting point is negative 26 degrees Celsius. The density of benzaldehyde is 1.044 gram per milliliter. It is highly refractive with a refractive index of 1.5456. Benzaldehyde appears as a clear colorless to yellow liquid with a bitter almond odor. It is slightly soluble in water but completely soluble in alcohol and ether. The safety information for benzaldehyde is it can affect when breathed in and by passing through our skin. It also can irritate the nose and throat, causing coughing and shortness of breath. It also can irritate the skin and eyes if come with contact. Exposure can cause dizziness, lightheaded, itching, and skin rash to develop. Benzaldehyde also may cause mutation.
So for the next part is ascorbic acids. The chemical structure for ascorbic acid is CCH5O6. The common name is vitamin C. The IUPAC name for ascorbic acid is 5-ARC-12-hydroxy-18-34-dihydroxy-furan-2,5-H1. The functional group present in ascorbic acid is hydroxy, carbonyl, and ether. The physical properties for ascorbic acid is its molecular weight is 176 with a melting point of 190 to 192 degrees Celsius with decomposition and show a density of approximately 1.65 gram per. Ascorbic acid is freely soluble in water and is difficult in alcohol. It's also insoluble in chloroform, ether, and benzene. Next, the safety information for ascorbic acid is numerous scientific bodies have reviewed the safety of ascorbic acid in consumer products. First, the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) state that ascorbic acid is generally recognized as safe GRAS substance for use as a chemical preservative in food and as a nutrient or dietary supplement. Next, the Cosmetic Ingredient Review (CIR) expert panel state that ascorbic acid and its salt are safe for use in cosmetic and personal care products. Last but not least, the US National Cancer Institute (NCI) state that ascorbic acid is a nutrient that the body needs to consume in a small amount every day to function and stay healthy.
As we know, that toluene can be converted to benzaldehyde by a reaction called Ithard reaction. We can see that in this reaction, benzaldehyde is formed by the oxidation of toluene with chromic acid in acetic anhydride. Second, benzaldehyde can also be prepared from benzene by passing through the vapor of hydrochloric acid and carbon monoxide in its solution. This reaction is found to take place in the presence of a mixture of catalysts, which is aluminum chloride and copper chloride. This reaction is called the Gattung-Koch reaction. We can write the reaction as follows.
Ascorbic acid is produced from T-sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that can be obtained from various food stocks such as corn, cassava, and wheat. Next, the three available process technologies used to produce ascorbic acids are the Richten process, the two-step fermentation with a single culture, and the two-step fermentation with a mixed culture. This process technology has a similar overall yield of production, which is 60%. However, the two-step fermentation has higher efficiency and product quality than the Richten process. The chemical equation for the Richten process is shown as below. Next, the chemical equation for the two-step fermentation process for a single culture and a mixed culture is shown as equation. The human body needs modest amount of ascorbic acid to function and stay healthy. Ascorbic acid is an antioxidant that can help protect cells from free radicals, which are unstable chemicals that can cause cell damage. Scurvy is one of the examples that can be treated using this supplement. Second, ascorbic acid, according to National Cancer Institute of the United States, can aid in the fight against bacterial infection and the formation of collagen, a protein found in fibrous tissue, bone, skin, and capillaries.
Benzaldehyde has many uses in our daily life product. First, as a flavoring agent, it is used in food and beverage to provide the scent of elements. Various scented products also use benzaldehyde as an additive for having a distinct odor. It is also used in cake-based goods as element extract. Benzaldehyde is also used in additives like antibacterial and antifungal preservative. The compound is responsible for the odor of natural bitter almond oil and is incorporated directly in perfume, soap, foods, drinks, and other products. Second, in industrial and manufacturing uses. The single largest use for benzaldehyde is the production of benzyl alcohol via hydrogenation. In the pharmaceutical industry, benzaldehyde is used as an intermediate in the manufacture of chloramphenicol, ephedrine, ampicillin, diphenylhydantoin, and other products. Benzaldehyde also used as chemical intermediate for dyes, flavoring materials, perfumes, and aromatic alcohol. Benzaldehyde also acts as a solvent for oil, resin, some cellulose ether, cellulose acetate, and nitrate. Benzaldehyde also used in manufacturing of cinnamic acid, mandelic acid, and benzoic acid. Third, benzaldehyde also acts as a bee repellent. It is used to draw the bees away from a honeycomb in order to extract the honey from the honeycomb.
Ascorbic acid is also used in personal care product and cosmetic. Cosmetic and other personal care products may include less acidic form of ascorbic acid such as calcium ascorbate, magnesium ascorbate, magnesium ascorbate phosphate, sodium ascorbate, and sodium ascorbate phosphate, which act as antioxidant to slow deterioration of the finished product caused by exposure to the air and also to control the pH of the product. Next, ascorbic acid is also used in industrial and manufacturing use. Ascorbic acid is used in a variation of industrial and manufacturing applications, including label agent and preservative photography.